Hello, welcome to another episode of Mr.A CAD Tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to create this angle slider. Let's go ahead and get started. First we go to File, New, and this one's going to be in millimeters. We'll make sure we're in metric, standard mm. We're then going to create a 2D sketch, and I'm going to create it in the horizontal plane here. Make sure my view is aligned properly. I'm going to start by making it a rectangle that is 250 millimeters by 175. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this by 120. 120. I'm then going to start a sketch on this side right here. The sketch I create is going to be a rectangle. Make sure you don't snap to that midpoint there. Make sure you stay away from that. So make a rectangle, and the size of the rectangle is going to be 20. Horizontally is going to be 30 millimeters vertically. Notice how my rectangle here is blue. Reason why is because it's not fully constrained. Once again, avoid the center dots. Go ahead and click on the line. Click on this line. We are going to go up 35 millimeters. Notice how now it shows as fully constrained. I can now finish sketch and extrude. It's going to be an extrude cut through all. Okay. I'm then going to create another sketch, and this one's going to be over here on the bottom plane. So let's go to the bottom. Let's start a 2D sketch, and in this instance I'm going to go ahead and start with the line, go over 75 millimeters, and then I'm going to go ahead and go at an angle, and the dimension here is going to be 30 degrees. I can now trim any extra. Go ahead, I'm going to close off this region right here. So I'm going to create a line, make sure they snap, and trim this excess here I don't need. Oops, I don't think that line got created. Let's go back. There we go. Now I can trim. Once I have that, notice how again it's fully constrained. I can go ahead and finish sketch, extrude, and once again it's going to be an extrude cut through all. There's that. I'm then going to do something very similar with the other part, this back portion over here. So I'm going to start a sketch on this back portion over here. I'm going to go over 90 millimeters. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure it snaps to this line here. Always avoid these little green dots. So I'm going to snap right there. And the dimension of this portion here from this dot to the bottom horizontal line here is going to be 25 millimeters. Okay, notice how everything's fully constrained. I'm going to go ahead and just close off this region here from the corner over here, finish sketch, extrude cut once more. Oops, something happened. Let's see, let's go back. All that line up here didn't get drawn. So I double click on it, go back into the sketch. Let's draw this line. There we go. Now it's a closed region, extrude, cut through all. Okay. And then I need to create another extrude cut in this back region over here. So start 2D sketch. Once more, this time it's going to be a rectangle. Again, it's going to be a line with this line here, but avoid the green dots. And this one's going to be 75 millimeters wide by 25 millimeters high. And the dimension from this edge to this vertical line here is going to be 50 millimeters. There we go. Notice that's fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude. Cut. Through all. Okay. And it's taking shape, and we just need these two holes here, the top one and the one on the side over here. So let's go ahead and go to that one. So we're gonna click on hole, click up here, and the hole size is going to be 20 millimeters. It is going to be 25 millimeters from this line here. So I'm gonna click on this line here and type in 25. And it's also going to be 40 millimeters from this other line back here. So I'm gonna click on that, type in 40, and then make sure it goes through all, and make sure it's just a simple hole. Press OK. Do the same thing with this other small hole over here. So click on this face. The size of it, same thing, 20 millimeter diameter. In this case, from the bottom here is going to be 25. And it's going to be 50 away from this vertical one here. Okay, press OK, enter. And there is the angle slider. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll help you answer those as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.